To build a low-cost bucket irrigation system, you need the following. 1 20-litre bucket, 1 male tank fitting 15 mm, 1 tape lock takeoff, 1 by 1 meter long main polypipe, 1 30-meter long drip tape, and 1 end cap. Contact the DSAP office in your country for the purchasing of the materials. Drill a hole at the bottom of the bucket. The hole should fit the male tank fitting. Unscrew the tank fitting, insert it in the bucket hole and tighten. The bucket must be elevated to a height of 1.5 meters above the ground by suspending it on a crossbar or placing it on a stand. Connect one end of the 1 meter long main polypipe to the tank fitting. Connect the other end to the takeoff. Connect the other end of the takeoff to the one end of the 30-meter long drip tape. Close the other end of the 30-meter long drip tape by plugging it with the end cap. Make the end cap by cutting a piece of the drip tape about 30 centimeters from the end. Fold over the end tape and insert it into the end cap to hold the bend together, forming a plug. Lay the drip tape in the row to be irrigated. Make sure that the tape is laid on flat ground. Slope of irrigated land is not to exceed 5%. Make sure that the drip holes are facing upward. Use clean water to fill the bucket once in the morning and once in the evening every day. If using non-tap water, filter the water by pouring it through a cloth tied to the bucket mouth. The advantages of using the bucket drip irrigation systems are: it requires less water, reduces labor costs, helps with weed control as water is directed to the roots of each plant. Maintaining the bucket irrigation system. The bucket must be elevated to a height of 1.5 meters above the ground for adequate pressure when watering the plants. When using a 20-liter bucket, the length of the drip tape must not be more than 30 meters. For best results, the bucket irrigation system must be used on level ground, slope not exceeding 5%. Clean out the bucket irrigation system by flushing clean water through the bucket and the tapes at least once a week. This will keep the outlets from blocking. This bucket irrigation system can be used on vegetables and crops to water a 30-meter row of vegetables from a 20-liter bucket. This ensures that the water is evenly distributed to each plant in the row. For upscaling or to irrigate larger areas or to irrigate crops, please consult the DSAP office in your country. Materials for making the Deris solution.